Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to WordPress.com plans, complete guide step by step clearly. Type in WordPress.com and press enter to visit the website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Get Started button. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new, follow the prompts to create an account. After logging in, you will be taken to the plan selection page. Here, you will see various WordPress.com plans listed. Carefully review the features of each plan. Decide which plan best suits your needs. Click on the Select button under your chosen plan. You will then be taken to a payment screen. If prompted, enter your desired domain name or choose to use a free one. Review your selections and make sure everything is correct. Next, enter your payment details in the fields provided. You may also be asked if you want to add any additional features. After confirming your choices, click on the Purchase button. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, your WordPress.com plan is active and ready to use. Explore your new features by going to your website dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.